Salem stands out because of its well-known history and famous landmarks, but there's a hidden gem here, not exactly common in a densely populated city.
So Maitland Mountain Farm is Salem's only working farm.
The urban farm is a labor of love, owned and operated by Andy Varela and his wife Holly Maitland on her family's land.
About 2.5 acres. My father always did homesteading and had a large garden. We would eat tomatoes like apples.
Maitland Mountain Farm started as a father-daughter project in 2009 and continues to grow. Their specialty? Pickled products.
We do pickled mushrooms, pickled radish with horseradish.
You name it, chances are they pickle it.
What's the most unlikely thing that you pickle?
Probably be the pickled peaches. You have like the savoriness of the pickled brine, kind of backing up the sweetness and tartness of a peach. This is the original. This is what we started with about 12 years ago.
Let's give those a taste.
Basically, it's a combination of cider vinegar, white vinegar, garlic, dill, coriander, allspice,
Oh my God.
chili flake, jalapeno.
This is a pickle pleasure.
Awesome.
I think you get extra credit for foregoing any kind of witch branding. So these are all local folks.
Local Salemites. We try to have fun with it.
We move along Route 1A through Salem to neighboring Beverly to another food stop. Local farm fresh produce, meat, and fish are the foundation of the menu at Frank. Owner and executive chef Frank McClellan developed a European farm-to-fork concept when he took over Boston's iconic French restaurant L'Espalier in 1988.
In Europe, their life expectancy is so long because of how well they eat, truly right from the farm and right to their kitchen to feed the soul.
After a 40-year run, the elegant L'Espalier closed in 2018. McClellan opened Frank in Beverly less than a year later.
Beverly is becoming a cosmopolitan, booming city, really on the rise. We thought this would be a perfect backdrop for us.
Like the cuisine at L'Espalier, McClellan's dishes at Frank are inventive and creative.
We make all our own charcuterie. This is a country pork terrine with local vegetables. And this is a game bird pate en croûte. This is our local seafood bouillabaisse, local day-boat lobster, monkfish, little neck clams from Wellfleet, and Nantucket bay scallops.
But wait, there's more. A Frank burger.
You people freak out for this burger. It's our own bun, pickles, locally sourced greens, all organic meats from a farm in Maine. Monterey Jack cheese. It has our onion, pepper, bacon jam, spiced mayonnaise with Frank's hot sauce, and onion rings.
The burger's popular with the takeout crowd at the Frank Cafe and Market, a concept conceived pre-pandemic.
Dining was shut down, but we had our market and it just exploded.
A few blocks away, renovations and revelations are underway at Beverly's Cabot Theater, which just celebrated its 100th birthday. Executive Director Casey Soward.
Casey, none of this spectacular lobby entranceway was even visible until you uncovered this.
That's correct.
This is original.
It's all original, and it was covered up by a drop ceiling in the 1950s when they put in air conditioning.
So you didn't see any of this grandeur.
That's correct. It was all hidden. It was opened as a movie palace, and the intent is to bring it back to that.
The Cabot opened in 1920 in the aftermath of the 1918 flu pandemic.
And it was built as a way to get people to feel comfortable to come back together again. So imagine 850 people watching a movie together, and that's an amazing experience that we don't have too much of today, only in buildings like the Cabot.
Soward says with the theater closed because of COVID, virtual events and concerts have helped generate revenue. The Cabot's rebirth honors the irreplaceable history around every corner of this venue.
A lot of this original artwork, it's amazing.
It's incredible what they did back in 1920.
He was a German artist.
Yes, Hans Luhrmann, German artist.
Do you take some encouragement from the fact that here the theater was born in the wake of the pandemic 100 years ago, and now you're essentially rebirthing it?
And that we can repeat that history 100 years later to help our community heal. It's tremendously inspiring, and hopefully we can pass this along in better shape than we found it.
Great story. And with renovations complete, the Cabot is now back to showing movies on the big screen, both current releases and classics. And they're also back to hosting live performances and community events. Patrons are required to wear a face mask at all times, and there may be additional requirements depending on the specific event. We'll have a link to information on our website. Next, meet Roger.